Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, we are using cell D3. Type an equal sign, then type IF. Excel will suggest functions automatically, so click IF from the list to insert it correctly. The IF function needs 3 parts to work. First is the logical test, which is the condition Excel checks. Second is the value Excel shows if the condition is true. Third is the value Excel shows if the condition is false. Begin with the logical test. Here, we want to check if the sales for the month are higher than the goal. That means comparing the value in cell C3 with the goal stored in cell G2. This comparison tells Excel whether the sales met the target or not. You can use this same approach to compare greater than, less than, or equal to values. After typing the logical test, add a comma. Now enter the value that should appear if the condition is true. If you want Excel to display text, like goal achieved, type it inside quotation marks. If the varsity's result were a number, quotation marks would not be needed. After that, add another comma. Next, enter the value to show if the condition is false. In this case, we want Excel to display a dash, so type a dash inside quotation marks. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will instantly evaluate the condition and show the result. When you copy this formula down the column, you may notice the goal reference changes and causes errors. To fix this, click into the formula and select the goal cell reference. Press F4 or Fn and F4 if needed. Dollar signs will appear, locking the reference so it always points to the same cell. Press Enter again and drag the formula down. The results will now be correct for every row. If you change the goal value later, all results will update automatically.